I'm going to show you how to hide your apps without installing any other applications on your iPhone. Go to Shortcuts, tap on the plus button at the top right, click on Add Action and search for Open App. Click on Open App. Choose the app that you want to hide. Here I'm choosing FaceTime. Click on Next. Add the shortcut name. Here I type in as pizza. You can also say Hey Siri Pizza to run the shortcut. Click on Done. To add it on the home screen, click the button Add to Home Screen. You can also customize the app icon. It is being added to the home screen. Go back to the home screen. You can see the pizza icon. Click on pizza. Your FaceTime gets open instead.
Hey Siri, pizza.
One second.